Hello everybody, in today's video we have a question which says 6 minus 3 times 3 minus 6. We are going to still follow the PEMDAS rule we know from our previous videos. So bracket first, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So dealing with the parentheses first, we have our expression to be 6 minus 3 times 3 minus 6 gives us negative 3. Now with this we are going to solve from the multiplication aspect. Since we know that multiplication comes next, we are going to do 6 will be there, but we have negative 3 times negative 3. We're just going to take this 3 minus 3, but it is multiplying. It will give us negative 9. So 6 minus negative 9 is going to give us 6 plus these two negative signs changes into positive. Then now our final answer can be written as 15. Thanks for watching.